What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the Oblivion of the past in Crimson Desert. Before you proceed, you'll need the focused Force Palm ability, which only unlocks around chapter 4 of the main story. This unusual two-handed weapon can only be used by Unka. It's got 24 points in attack, a level 2 critical rate, and level 1 attack speed. It's got 5 Abyss gear slots, 3 of them already occupied by a level 1 stamina siphon, another attack speed 1, and a critical rate 1. This can be found around the Crimson Desert region, southeast of Tashkalp. It's almost right below the letters O and second E of Crimson Desert. If we zoom in, it's right around this outline of the mountain where my waypoint is at. If you follow my waypoint, you'll see this railway leading to a tunnel. What we're looking for is below the gorge before the tunnel. Glide down below the bridge and you'll see this colorful rock blocking a cave. Now stand close to it and press X. Charge up a focused Force Palm by holding middle mouse and release the energy at the golden orb that appears. The rock will dissolve and inside is a chest. Open it up and you'll get the Oblivion of the past. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.